Ari, move. Watch it, Ari. Big. My phone right now, I get you. I got elements in there. I even got Mario. I don't even think you know about it. Like here. Look.
That's sweet.
Look at big dream jumps. Huh? No, don't throw that. Keep that.
Whoosh!
You gotta move.
Like that. Okay, stop. Hey, stop. Hey. Okay, we get off day block.
Yeah, rock, man. Hey. Where's that?
Something about to blow up.
Okay, ain't nowhere else to throw it.
Mari, you better stop before you get a whooping. They throwing them in the, trying to throw them in the water. No, in the water. That's right.
No, that thing must not be on down here. No, water's down.
What's wrong? Go put it in the water. Go wash your hands in the water. You gotta put your hands in the water, okay? She ain't fucking with that water.
No.
Oh, wait. Whoa.
What the hell?
Got it good. Ed took a footful of sand on there.
Okay, Ed, come back.
You know you just. I mean, a footful, too. You flip that shit like that and flip it.
I told you needed to change your clothes. Didn't I tell you that? Don't do it. Stop, boy.
I told you need to change your clothes.
I told you go get a new ass. Just go get in the water, Ed. Dad said he done got hot. He dipping back in.
Put that down, man. Put that down, man. Picked up a damn fish.
Big ass fish.
But it's real.
Oh, that mean that don't put your hands, in that water no more.
Why not? Y'all been putting them in there. You know fish swim in here.
No. Somebody ate it.
The thing over there under there.
No, it ain't.
The bird probably ate it.
I ain't gonna say, look at this. There you go.
Mama talking about.
I did too.
I thought it was seaweed. I didn't. Go smoke it. Oh no, we need water and everything. I thought we was gonna be able to set up camp right here. I told him he just gotta jump in the water. Now, how he supposed to find it? You gotta go over there and deep sea dive and find that rock.
He can do that.
Right. Go get it, Daddy, in your white.
Wrong color too, Mario.
I don't think he wanted to be lighter.
You know.
In the damn jacuzzi.
Hotel.
Messed my damn white shirt up. Only wore that shirt 3 times. Yep. Yeah. What's that? A seahorse? It was over there. It's rolling to the beach.
I'm telling y'all. I didn't think we was gonna make it. I thought they was gonna pick me up first time.
Uh-oh, okay. Wait, girl. Wait a minute. I thought Ari was playing with it. Thank you. I see you.
I started with it. Oh man, it's real long, real short.
My only shorts I got.
You know what I did? I went to Dollar Tree and decided to have
I got some shorts in the car that I said I'll put on when I get tired of.
It happened that I happened to have these on and they didn't wait.
Right. Right. I wouldn't have did no more than this anyway. I wouldn't have did no more than what I'm doing. Here, dog, hold the camera for me so I can get on there. I am a part of this family. I got all y'all standing with each other. Is this even on? No, I see it.
It's just bright. You ain't gotta snap it out. Just look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Uh-oh, Mari, he leaving. You about to be on your
No,
own.
you're not gonna get me.
She ain't got paid attention to your mission. Come on, let's go. Look at how she turned around. Right. Come on, let's go bye-bye. I'm sorry, we've been here all day. Let's go. Bye-bye. Yeah. That's how you gonna be too. See, you wanna come clean your hands off? See how he wash his hands? Come on. Come on.
They done lost their damn mind. Oh, I see the hole.
Metal oil.
Keep it.
Cut it.
Take it, yeah. That'd be good for you to take to school.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is what I found during the summer. Yeah, that's what I thought that was. I already had one that was real pretty though.
Girl, you still filming?
I think so.
They about to...